In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate lead time in Jira. Understanding and calculating lead time is crucial for teams looking to improve their workflows and boost efficiency by identifying bottlenecks. So let's dive into how you can achieve this using Jira, one of the most popular project management tools available. First, begin by navigating to your Jira board. This is your starting point, as the board is essentially the workspace where all your tasks and issues are organized. Once you're on this board, you'll want to look for the Reports option, which is conveniently located in the top navigation panel of Jira. Clicking on this will take you to a number of reporting tools that Jira offers, which are incredibly beneficial for analyzing various metrics about your project tasks. Next, from the selection of reports, you'll need to choose the one labeled Control Chart. Remember, you will only find this option if you're using Jira software projects. The control chart is particularly useful as it visually represents data over time and can provide insights into the predictability and consistency of your workflow processes. Once the control chart is open, the next step is to define the time frame you want your analysis to cover. This is where you'll set the date range for your analysis. Selecting a relevant date range is important, as it allows you to measure the lead time in different phases of the project, which can reveal patterns or irregularities in how your team handles tasks. You may want to look at recent weeks or even a few months to get a comprehensive view. After setting the date range, it's time to select the columns or statuses that you want to track. In most workflows, you'll be looking at statuses like to do through to done. Be sure to choose statuses that accurately reflect the life cycle of your tasks, as this is key to calculating an accurate lead time. The range from to do to done usually encapsulates the entire process, from when a task is planned to when it is completed. Once all these configurations are set, Jira does the heavy lifting for you. The platform will display the average lead time along with a trend over your specified time frame. This feature is incredibly useful, as it doesn't just show the average time tasks spend in progress, but also illustrates how lead times fluctuate, which can be vital when trying to optimize processes or set realistic deadlines. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to calculate and understand lead time in Jira, enabling your team to make informed decisions and enhance productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable insights into maximizing your team's efficiency with Jira.